Alright folks, maiden voyage of the mics. Never tried this before. I'm going to do it just with the Insta360. Also going to stick this on here as an extra mic. And we're going to see how this does with wind. Open face. No nano, just open face. I'm right near Mike's house. He's probably wondering why I'm on the side of the road. Probably thinks I wrecked my bike. I didn't, Mike. I'm still coming, buddy. But I wanted to see how this works for vlogging, and I just wanted to do the one camera, and I wanted to see how the mics worked. Supposedly, these work really well. And at the present time, I have both of them also recording audio just on their own device. So it should work, hopefully, fairly well. Alright, so, I was thinking, watching all those shows of, where they CSIs and stuff like that, I would have thought finding dead bodies would have been something that would have happened more often in my life by now. But I haven't found one yet. Not that I want to find one, mind you, but I haven't found one dead body yet. So I'm thinking those establish things that really don't happen as often. I got to thinking about it too. I think now for 13 years I've known Mike in person. I think I met him in 2012 online. YouTube plan. Memory serves. I think now I want to say my first trip down here was in 2013, and I want to think of all the different things that have happened and changed since 2013. Back then I was using a bottle and had inside my helmet. K7 and I both rode road games. And you might have noticed progression that a lot of times we had similar bikes for quite a few years, except for when I had the Triumph Trophy. That was a totally different type of motorcycle compared to anything Mike and I ever owned before or since. The Goldwing may be the closest to the Triumph out of the ones that I've owned. But I went from the Road King to the Triumph Trophy, the Ultra Limited, Harley, and then to this Goldwing now. So really, I haven't owned a whole lot of motorcycles, although I've owned more than I probably figured I ever would. And now I'm the only one with a motorcycle out of the two of us. It's sad, but I know one day you'll get things back around. No, like, I'm almost sure of it. But unfortunately, things change a lot. Back when I rode, I started out riding by myself. You got me into the vlogs. The rest of my kids and stuff. And friendship was just passing time. Who would have thought that we would still be meeting up with one another as many years later? Friendship was born as more of another family member, where I was brothers in a way, brothers from a different mothers. And it's been an awesome progression. I've changed, he's changed, we've all changed. YouTube's not what it was then. It's different now. Still good. It's different. I really hope the audio on at least one of these is working. I have mics going. The other one's for the Nano, and but I don't have the Nano on. I don't know. Can you hear the audio from my? I don't think you can from my my GPS. I don't think it's coming through this time. I remember taking this trip for the first time and trying to find his driveway. Yeah, this is it.
Man, need a downgrade on this damn thing. That was... He wasn't lying when he said it was steep. Chuck was not lying when he said it was steep.
Oh yeah, that's a steep back driveway.
Jesus Christ, those last 2 hours kicked my ass. I won't lie.
Oh, welcome aboard.
I made it.
Greeting here.
Nice to meet you finally in person.
Yeah, really.
In the making, I suppose.
So many years ago. So many things have changed. Some things have stayed the same. I'm still in the devil. Oh, and usually I always get the wrong driveway. Luckily, he puts a big flag on his. He also told me to keep to the left of the driveway because apparently there's some serious potholes on his land. Should be the one with the pink on it. Oh, Scotty flag. Okay, he said stay to the left. Oh shit, there he is, still in his jammies. Look at him, ain't he cute. I kept having to stop. I'm getting old. There used to be 2 gold wings here, now there's only 1.
It's been a while since one of these bikes has been in here.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was just thinking. I said there used to be 2, now there's only 1. Probably wondering why I kept stopping, didn't you?
Figured, you had reasons.
Well, I had to pee really bad.
Yeah.
And the first time I stopped because I needed some caffeine. It's getting kind of punchy. And then after that caffeine hit, I had to pee. And of course, I went to the Jordan Lake thing first and get all my shit off. And I get to the door and realize that you can't have a concealed weapons in there. And of course, it's in my coat pocket, so I left.
Really? Just
Yeah.
fucking go in.
Well, it also said something about a pass. I don't know. And then I stopped at another gas station, got gas, and finally peed, which was probably one of the highlights of my day. But yeah, I'm hoping this works. I've never tried my new setup yet, so
Yeah.
gave me a chance to give it a shot.
So you got what is this, Insta 360?
Yeah.
And then you got, of course, our old drink setup. And what's this? This is your phone charger?
That's
And
just my phone holder if I